Guys, look at my feet under the, I dip it in the water and stones. This process is called grounding. You know grounding? You can step in the water, in the stones, in the grass, and it helps the body get healthy, because they said grounding is like electricity. It electrifies our body inside, our veins. So every time we go to the lake or water, I see to it that I have my grounding like that. It's better, they said, when you grounding in the sea, where the water is salty. So I will be staying here for 1 hour for grounding. So you at home, if you have grasses around your house, you can walk at the grass or soil for grounding, but not in the cement. It's not good in the cement. It should be in grasses, in plants, like that. Plants and trees, you can walk around the plants and trees to improve your health with this process of grounding. So ayan, nakaka 30 minutes na ako. The longer the better. The longer you soak in the water, the better. I like to walk over there, but it's already deep. My jeans will gonna get wet. So I'm here only at the side. But it's pretty here, you see. So if you are sick, if you are not feeling good, try this process, grounding. You can search in the internet, Google it, and you will see the disadvantages. You will see the advantages of grounding. There is no disadvantage, it's always advantages. You will have good health, make you strong and healthy, make your immune system healthy. So every time you go to the beach, you can grounding. So that's what I'm doing here. Every time they inviting me for lake, for water or mountains, I go with them because I like the beautiful scenery and of course the grounding. So if you cannot go to the water, to the lake, you can in your garden, you can walk around your garden. If it's a soil or grass, you can walk around, but not at the cement, not at the wood. Okay guys, try to search the grounding in Google it, and you will see the advantages. They are grounding. I will see. Guys, dito panay bato. Nakasulong na ako. I'm in the water now. I like to go there far, but my jeans will gonna wet. And then, wow, nabasa na yung pantalon ko. Oh.